Buying a coffee today is almost invisible. You pull out your phone, tap the terminal, and within a second, your bank approves the transaction. Now, picture doing that exact same thing, but you're standing inside a pressurized cafe on Mars. You order, you tap your phone, and then you wait. Your bank is on Earth. A simple payment request must physically travel millions of miles across space to check your balance and return. Even at the speed of light, that round trip takes up to 40 minutes, a long wait for a coffee. Researchers and engineers call this communication delay the light speed penalty. It is a hard limit set by the laws of physics. Because of that penalty, Earth-based digital networks like Bitcoin cannot handle the daily buying and selling of a Martian civilization. The distance creates a lag that makes real-time commerce impossible. When early explorers crossed oceans to build new settlements, they quickly realized they could not wait months for ships to carry messages back and forth to their homeland banks. They had to create their own local record books to keep trade moving. Marscoin is designed to be that local record book for the future. It is a fully independent digital ledger, meant to be hosted entirely on Mars computers, meaning settlers never have to ask Earth for permission to spend their own money. Most digital money relies on a very strict internal clock. Bitcoin, for example, updates its records roughly every 10 minutes, but Marscoin abandons Earth timelines. Instead, its code is custom-built with a much faster rhythm, exactly 123 seconds, a timeframe developers specifically calibrated to represent 2 minutes on Mars. The developers even tied the overall economic supply to the red planet's orbit. The network automatically reduces the amount of new coins it creates every 668 days, which perfectly matches one full Martian year. By running on its own local servers and keeping time with the planet it operates on, this system allows a future society to trade instantly without waiting on a signal from Earth. A functioning society needs to organize a local government, count votes fairly, and prove who owns which plot of land or habitat module. To solve this problem, developers are building a civic software program called the Martian Republic directly into the Marscoin network. Instead of using paper ballots or separate databases, citizens can use this program to cast a vote or register a land deed in the exact same way they would send a coin. The digital network permanently records that action as a completely secure public entry that no one can quietly alter later. When civic records and financial transactions live on the same ledger, the network functions as a secure property office and digital town hall for a brand new world. You might be wondering, if this entire system is custom-built for Mars, why is it running here on Earth right now? When digital networks are young and have very few computers running them, they are fragile. A small network is easily overwhelmed by bad actors trying to rewrite the record book. To survive its earthly testing phase, Marscoin uses a security strategy called merged mining. Think of it like a small tugboat safely hooking itself to a massive cargo ship. This chart shows the plumbing of the system. Look at the Aux-Po-Degu section feeding into the miners. That's a specialized digital link. It allows the Marscoin network to piggyback on the massive security walls already built by established networks like Litecoin and Dogecoin. It borrows their immense computing power to guard its own records, keeping the ledger safe without needing its own massive server farms. Running it securely on Earth today ensures that the code is thoroughly vetted. By the time the software is loaded onto a spacecraft, it will be incredibly resilient and ready for the harsh realities of another planet. Marscoin acts as an out-of-the-box civic toolkit. The software provides the framework for an independent economy, secure voting, and property rights on a new planet. And the code required to run this future society isn't locked away in a corporate vault. It is open source, maintained by volunteers, and available for anyone to download and test right now. If you want to see how the first off-world economy is being built, you can explore the project and join the community today. The framework for a multi-planetary future is already being written.